Ever open your retention graph and see half your viewers gone in the first minute, even when you know that video could have actually helped them? That drop is not happening because your ideas are weak. It happens because viewers can see your ideas. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the 3-part framework I use to design the visuals in every client video I edit. So the next time your editor hands you a video or you use Claude to edit one yourself, you'll know exactly which visuals engage your audience and push your retention through the roof. One video I edited this way got almost 1 million views. And here's the part nobody expects. The visuals in that video were not the prettiest I've ever made. I'll show you what I did in a minute, but first you need to understand why most visuals fail. When I started editing, I believed good visuals meant flashy visuals, but the retention graph didn't move because the visual has one job: help the viewer understand the idea faster. When they understand, they stay, and when they stay, retention improves. So there's a simple 3-part framework for choosing every visual, and I'm going to reveal it one part at a time. The first one is the reason two videos can say the exact same sentence and get completely different results. Part 1 of the framework, the niche. Ask yourself, what niche is this video in? The same line should not get the same visual in an AI video, a health video, and a business video, because the viewers are different people with different problems. The visual has to show something that specific viewer has already lived. Think about it. If you coach on money or business, your viewer has never watched a robot animation and felt anything, but they have stared at a dashboard that isn't moving. They have sat on a sales call that went quiet. They have watched a competitor with weaker ideas blow past them. That's their world. Put their world on a screen and their brain says, that's me. Put a generic animation on the screen and their brain says nothing at all. But the niche only narrows it down. The second part is where most videos still go wrong. Part 2, the topic. What is this specific video about? The niche gets you into the viewer's world. The topic gets you into this exact video. Say you coach on business. A video about closing high-ticket sale calls and a video about getting clients from YouTube are in the same niche, but the viewer click for a completely different reason. The person watching the sales call video wants to see the call, the quiet moment, the objection, the close. Show them a generic money graphic instead and the screen feels close but off. And close but off is exactly where viewers drift, because the screen stops matching the promise that made them click. So if a video is about one method, show that method. If it is about one mistake, show that mistake. Third part is the one that took my client's video to almost 1 million views. Part 3, emotion. What visuals would make the viewer feel something? Let me show you the full framework working together on a real line. Say the video is in the AI niche and the topic is how to get the best result from clean AI, and the line is most people don't know how to use it to actually get the results they want. There are 3 ways to visualize that line. Option 1, a simple text animation, but it just repeats what I said. It adds nothing. Option 2, a character animation of someone using different AI tools. It matches the niche, but it misses the topic because this video is about clean, not AI tools in general, and hits no emotion because it is not a real moment. Option 3, a screen recording of someone prompting clean, waiting and getting a result that acts nothing like what they asked for. Option 3 wins every time. Right niche, right topic, and the viewer has leaked the exact moment. They typed the prompt, they expected magic, they got garbage. The visual makes them feel it again, and a viewer who feels something does not, I repeat, does not click away. And this is the lesson that changed everything for me. I'm taking a course and the teacher says something I can't unhear. Visuals are not there for the sake of editing. Visuals are storytelling. If a visual connects with the viewer stays with you emotionally. So I stopped chasing pretty and started chasing that's me. Therefore, every video I edited after that got better. Views on my client video started climbing. Retention improved. And the video I told you about at the start, the one that hit almost 1 million views, it was built on that one shift. The visuals were my most beautiful work. They are the moments the viewer had already lived. The reason I'm telling you this is because you're probably where I was, just on the other side of the screen. You think if the advice is good enough, people will stay. But viewers don't stay for the advice, they can see. Your coaching might be worth 1,000, none of that matters if they leave before they even feel it. Now you know what visuals to do, but if you still make these mistakes, your retention likely won't improve. To know what these mistakes are, watch this next video and I'll see you there.